Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the fashion choices of South actress Anandi. So, let's get into it. The actress loves to experiment with saris, draping them in unconventional styles or pairing them with unexpected blouses. She might opt for a traditional silk sari with a modern, off-shoulder blouse, or she might choose a quirky printed sari with a contrasting blouse to make a statement. For casual outings or everyday wear, the beauty prefers comfortable yet chic ensembles like kurtas paired with palazzo pants. She often chooses vibrant colors and bold prints, accessorizing with statement jewelry to complete the look. Anandi enjoys blending different cultural elements in her outfits. She might wear a fusion dress that combines elements of Indian and Western fashion, such as a maxi dress with Indian embroidery or a crop top paired with a long skirt in traditional prints. Accessories play a crucial role in her fashion choices. She loves to accessorize with chunky jewelry pieces like statement necklaces, jhumkas, and colorful bangles. Her accessories often reflect her personality and add a playful touch to her outfits. Anandi isn't afraid to experiment with her hairstyles to complement her outfits. She might opt for traditional braids adorned with flowers for a festive occasion or go for a sleek, contemporary look with a high ponytail or a messy bun for a casual day out. Comfort is key for the actress when it comes to footwear. She often chooses stylish yet comfortable options like jute tees, kolhapuri sandals, or block heels that add an ethnic flair to her ensemble. The beauty enjoys playing with different textures and fabrics to add depth to her outfits. She might pair a flowy chiffon sari with a structured blouse or combine a silk kurta with denim jeans for a modern twist. Anandi often adds layers to her outfits to create dimension and interest. She might layer a lightweight, embroidered jacket over a simple kurta and leggings ensemble for a touch of sophistication. Alternatively, she could accessorize with a colorful scarf draped elegantly around her neck or tied as a headscarf for a bohemian vibe. Anandi is not afraid to mix and match different prints and patterns to create visually striking outfits. She might pair a floral printed kurta with striped palazzo pants or combine a geometric patterned sari with a polka-dotted blouse for a playful yet stylish look. Her keen eye for balance and color coordination ensures that the disparate elements come together harmoniously. The actress understands the importance of well-fitted clothing and often opts for custom tailoring to ensure that her outfits complement her body shape perfectly. She may also personalize her attire with embroidery, embellishments, or patchwork to add a unique touch and showcase her individuality. The actress pays attention to the appropriateness of her attire for different occasions. For formal events such as weddings or festivals, she might opt for opulent silk saris or intricately embroidered lehengas, accessorized with statement jewelry and adorned with traditional bindis. For more casual gatherings or outings, she leans towards comfortable yet stylish ensembles that allow her to move freely while still making a fashion statement. Despite her penchant for bold and colorful attire, Anandi also appreciates the beauty of minimalist fashion. She might opt for understated yet elegant outfits in neutral tones such as ivory, beige, or charcoal grey, focusing on clean lines and impeccable tailoring to exude sophistication and refinement. The actress is mindful of the environmental and social impact of her fashion choices and actively seeks out brands that prioritize sustainability and ethical production practices. She may support local artisans and eco-friendly initiatives by incorporating handcrafted textiles, organic fabrics, and upcycled materials into her wardrobe. The actress embraces body positivity and radiates confidence in whatever she wears. Whether she's rocking a traditional sari or sporting a contemporary fusion outfit, her self-assurance and grace shine through, inspiring others to embrace their unique sense of style with confidence and flair. Anandi enjoys dressing according to specific themes for parties or cultural events. She might choose a retro-inspired ensemble for a 70s themed party, complete with bell-bottom pants, a tie-dye kurta, and oversized sunglasses. For a Bollywood night, she might opt for a glamorous outfit reminiscent of her favorite film stars, with sequined saris, statement jewelry, and dramatic makeup. The actress adjusts her wardrobe according to the seasons, incorporating weather-appropriate fabrics and styles. In the summer months, she gravitates towards lightweight cottons and linens in breezy silhouettes to beat the heat stylishly. In winter, she embraces cozy fabrics like wool and velvet, layering with shawls, sweaters, and jackets while still maintaining her signature vibrant aesthetic. The actress enjoys getting creative with her wardrobe by DIY projects and upcycling old clothing. She might repurpose a vintage sari into a trendy dress or transform a plain kurta with intricate hand embroidery or fabric patchwork. Her DIY endeavors not only add a personal touch to her outfits but also contribute to sustainability by giving new life to existing garments. The beauty draws inspiration from diverse cultures and global fashion trends, incorporating elements from around the world into her wardrobe. She might incorporate bohemian accents like fringed vests or tribal jewelry for a free-spirited look, or she might infuse her outfits with a touch of Parisian chic by pairing a classic beret with tailored separates. The actress admires certain fashion icons and enjoys collaborations or endorsements with her favorite designers or brands. She might curate a capsule collection inspired by her style icons, featuring signature pieces that reflect her personal aesthetic while paying homage to the influences that inspire her. The actress uses fashion as a form of self-expression and empowerment, advocating for causes she believes in through her clothing choices. She might participate in social movements by wearing symbolic attire or accessories that raise awareness for issues such as gender equality, LGBTQ+ rights, or environmental conservation, using her platform to amplify important messages and affect positive change. Her fashion choices are versatile and adaptable, allowing her to seamlessly transition from daytime casual to evening glam. She invests in timeless wardrobe staples that can be mixed and matched to create multiple looks, maximizing the versatility of her clothing while minimizing waste and excess consumption. The beauty enjoys experimenting with trends and pushing fashion boundaries. She also values timeless elegance and sophistication. She invests in classic pieces that stand the test of time, such as a well-tailored black blazer, a crisp white shirt, or a versatile little black dress, ensuring that her wardrobe remains relevant and stylish for years to come. Anandi embraces her cultural heritage by donning traditional attire during festive occasions and celebrations. For Diwali, she might opt for a resplendent lehenga choli adorned with intricate embroidery and embellishments, paired with statement jewelry like jhumkas and a mang tikka. During Eid, she might choose a stylish salwar kameez in vibrant hues, accessorized with delicate gold ornaments and a hijab styled elegantly. The actress infuses her street style with a touch of edge, blending urban aesthetics with ethnic elements for a distinctively modern look. She might pair distressed denim jeans with a graphic printed kurta and leather boots, adding a leather jacket or a denim vest for a rebellious twist. Her street style ensembles exude confidence and attitude, reflecting her fearless approach to fashion. The actress has a penchant for vintage glamour and often incorporates retro-inspired elements into her wardrobe. She might channel the elegance of old Hollywood with a floor-length gown featuring Art Deco embellishments and a folks fur stole, accessorized with vintage-inspired jewelry and a bold red lip. Her vintage-inspired looks exude timeless sophistication and charm, evoking nostalgia for a bygone era. The beauty effortlessly blends athleisure elements with chic fashion pieces for a comfortable yet stylish ensemble. She might pair leggings or joggers with a sporty crop top and sneakers, layering with a bomber jacket or a denim shirt tied around her waist. Her athleisure looks are casual yet fashion-forward, perfect for running errands or grabbing coffee with friends while staying on trend. The actress pays close attention to accessorizing, using statement pieces to elevate her outfits and make a bold sartorial statement. She might opt for oversized sunglasses, structured handbags, or statement belts to add a touch of drama to her look. Her accessories are carefully curated to complement her outfit and reflect her personal style aesthetic. Anandi isn't afraid to embrace the power of monochrome dressing, experimenting with different hues and textures to create visually striking monochromatic outfits. She might opt for head-to-toe black for a sleek and sophisticated look, or she might choose a vibrant color like emerald green or cobalt blue for a bold and eye-catching ensemble. Her monochrome looks exude confidence and elegance, showcasing her impeccable sense of style. The actress seamlessly transitions her wardrobe between seasons, adapting her style to suit changing weather conditions and trends. In the transitional months of spring and fall, she might layer lightweight knits over floral dresses or pair summer staples like skirts and sandals with cozy cardigans and scarves. Her seasonal transitions are effortless and stylish, ensuring that she remains fashionable no matter the weather. The actress collaborates with digital influencers and content creators to curate fashion-forward collections that resonate with her audience. She might partner with fashion bloggers or social media personalities to launch exclusive clothing lines or limited edition collaborations, leveraging her platform to connect with her followers and showcase her unique sense of style. So, there you have it. If you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.